Heal or we just hold?
TP?
277. You go to take the hill, I think.
Okay.
Kasama.
Okay, what we do is I want the mouse to you go this way. Then after that, one go middle here, the rest all go up. Then 279 you go middle over here. The 2 CS go up first.
Okay.
Let me check on the
Piping may hold down dun sa kanto. Alam mo yung hold down dun sa taas. Sa bandang lampas ng gitna. Hold down tayo dun.
Hindi ba tayo diretso?
Hold lang namin, Rusty, right? We're gonna hold the hill or gonna go up as well?
277 are going to take the hill?
yes.
Okay. Lahat tayo nakakyat.
Go take heal, take heal.
Okay. Piping, unang shot ka dyan. Okay.
Alright, mouse go this way, one go to middle.
Padaan lang Excuse me. Okay, thank you. Okay. Position.
Alright, possible CS, you go down over here, you take over there. The 2 CS, you go down over here, you take over there, okay?
Okay. Okay.
The mouse, you go, if you can't, then after that this one. Can we airstrike at a lot of heavies over there?
We need backup here. I think 277 only.
CS in position, Rusty. CS in position.
Alright, CS can farm over there. Have you all the 277? Don't bleed. Just go up, guys. Hold first. Alright. Can I get the 277 to come back? Then after that, push this way. Then get one mouse to go down over here.
No, I will go down. 277. Run, Rusty.
CS CS 63 line 1 being overrun. Shit.
Yung ibang 277 baba na dito sa may likod.
Yes, dali.
Okay, shoot at the island. I already spot the island, guys.
No shot, big rock.
Overrun na yung isang 277, wag na tumuloy. Balik na dito. Balik na dito sa may ano.
Whoa.
Okay. Akit na yan, line 1, yung mga nakakuha dyan.
Play slow, guys. Play slow.
Tandaan lang 60 TP behind you on our base na. 60
It's okay. Okay, Jareb, you step from the back. The I7, if you can disturb over there, you disturb.
There is one I7 here.
Alright, get it. I7, you drop here, kill that one.
Copy.
Can I get a fast heavy, go down there, then kill the 260 TP over there?
Ingat, may STRV pa pala.
Copy.
They are out out of place na yung STRB nila
Nakaso tumitira pa rin. Ingat lang.
Tumitira pa rin STRB.
Transport 60 TP
Thank you.
I7 sa base
I7 the base? Yeah.
May 100 sa likod natin.
May 100 lang.
Last na yung E100.
Oh, iwan yan. Ano muna siya? Pahinga lang muna siya, pahinga.
Nakabigyan yata E100 eh.
Check ko. Madudungo ko naman eh.
Klar, go this way.
Stop, nakabiggan nga, nakabiggan. I-overrun nyo na yun.
Bigyan.
Biggan, E100. Biggan.
Excuse me.
Klar, go down here. Go down. Fight 1-to-1 with him. Don't worry.
Okay.
Nice.
TRB low na rin yun.
Sino kayo magpa? Pwede nyo lumitaw yung STRB na yun para tapos.
Nabag na ba yung RP?
Go.
Ayun na,
Go,
lumabas na.
go. Keep
Tapos
pushing,
na
keep
rin.
pushing.
Nabubugbog na kami dito. Ah. Wala na sila, TD.
Na-drop na yung RT natin.
Okay na.
Kanina pa.
Okay.
Nice.
Pumara na yung
Focus.
CCTV, pwede na pasukin nyo.
Sukin nyo na
Loading
yan.
na yung 200 HP.
Likuran. Yan, Clark, diretso ka sa likod. Yan.
Bus na yung...
Diretso ka,
ano,
Clark. Yan.
Bus na yung tank destroyer nila. Pwede na.
Okay. Nice. Huwag ka na mag-back. Diretso lang. Huwag ka mag-ganyan. Diretso ka lang.
Pumara na
Yan.
yan, sir. Pasukin mo na yung cam.
Quit. Nice, Clark. Good job. Sis, sundot.
Ay puta.
Up. Reload.
Nakatingin pala sa akin.
DTP mo na. Ibudol fight nyo na yan. Dami na.
Pasok na.
Sige, pasok.
Pasok, nakatalikod yung tatlo. Nakatalikod yung tatlo.
Nagpasa mo na yan, Clar. Nagpasa mo na yan.
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 Puntahan mo na yung si Destiny. 60 TP na clear.
Nakatalikod na yan.
Ito, yung CCTV.
Okay. Ikutan nyo lang. Ikutan. Ayan, tumira.
Ikot.
lang.
Punta sa likod.
Kapit ka din.
Good
Yan.
job,
Punta sa likod.
Oh,
Ice
ice 4. Yup. Bang. Oh. Up.
Asyat.
Hit. Stop.
Ice 4 ulit.
GG.
Nice dead.
Good job. Nakadami si Claro.
Oo nga eh.
Juicy. Good job.